What if you could have a home that looks like it belongs in an architecture magazine? Clean lines, soaring ceilings, modern finishes, but didn't cost you a fortune to build. Today I'm counting down 10 Barndominium kits that genuinely look high-end, but are surprisingly affordable. And I promise you, number one on this list is going to stop you in your tracks. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe right now, because we cover Barndominium builds, alternative homes, and smart building strategies every single week. And stick around to the very end, because I'm ranking these from impressive to absolutely jaw-dropping. And I'm also going to give you honest pros, cons, and real price ranges for every single one. Don't skip ahead. You might miss the one that's perfect for you. Barndominium kits have exploded in popularity over the last several years, and for good reason. You get a steel frame structure that's durable, fast to assemble, and customizable, delivered right to your property. But here's the thing most people don't realize. Not all kits are created equal. Some look like a basic storage shed. Others, with the right design choices, they look like a custom luxury home that costs twice as much to build. The 10 kits I'm covering today fall into that second category. Let's get into it. One thing I want to be upfront about before we start. The kit price and the finished home price are two very different numbers. The kit is just the steel shell package. You still need a foundation, insulation, interior finishing, mechanical systems, and labor. I'll give you kit prices and realistic finish cost estimates, so you're never caught off guard. 10. The General Steel Homes Residential Series. Clean gable-style Barndominium exterior, stone accent, metal roof. General Steel has been in the metal building game for decades, and their residential series is a solid entry point for people who want a traditional gable roof Barndominium that looks like a well-built custom home rather than a warehouse. Their designs feature steep roof pitches, which is key for curb appeal, and they offer customizable widths from 30 feet up to 80 feet. The gable ends can be framed out with large windows and entry features that make the whole structure feel intentional and designed rather than industrial. Honest kit cost, roughly $15,000 to $35,000 depending on size and specs. Realistic finish cost, $120,000 to $220,000 for a fully livable home. General Steel is a well-established company, but always get multiple quotes and read contracts carefully, like any large purchase. 9. Worldwide Steel Buildings Custom Barndominium Packages. Two-tone exterior, wainscoting panel detail, covered porch. Worldwide Steel Buildings offers what they call their Barndominium packages, which include the primary and secondary structural framing, roofing and wall panels, trim, and doors and windows. What makes their design stand out visually is their two-tone exterior panel options combined with covered porch framing that gives the finished building a real residential personality. Add a stone or brick veneer wainscoting to the lower third of the exterior, which many builders do with these kits, and the result looks far more expensive than it is. Honest kit cost, $20,000 to $50,000 depending on configuration. Realistic finished cost, $130,000 to $250,000. Worldwide Steel has a good reputation for customer service and technical support, which matters a lot when you're building something this size. 8. Morton Buildings Custom Homes. Morton Barndo with dark exterior panels, white trim, large windows. Morton Buildings is one of the most recognized names in post-frame construction, and their custom home line is genuinely impressive. Their buildings use their proprietary column and truss system rather than traditional metal framing, which actually allows for more flexible interior layouts and very clean exterior aesthetics. The dark panel and white trim combination that Morton frequently showcases looks sharp and modern, the kind of exterior that makes people slow down and stare. Large window packages really elevate the design. Honest note, Morton does not sell just a kit. They typically sell and build as a package deal. That means less DIY flexibility, but more quality control. Realistic finish cost, $150,000 to $350,000 plus, depending on size and finishes. Higher price point than some on this list, but the quality and warranty are well regarded in the industry. 7. Ameribuilt Steel Structures Residential Line. Modern farmhouse barndo, black metal roof, large sliding barn doors. Ameribuilt Steel offers residential steel building packages with a modern farmhouse aesthetic that is extremely on-trend right now. Their structures feature black standing, seam metal roofing options, which instantly gives any building a premium look. Paired with large sliding barn door entries and board and batten style exterior panel arrangements, these kits can produce a finished home that looks like it came out of a high-end real estate listing. Honest kit cost: around $18,000 to $40,000. Realistic finish cost: $125,000 to $230,000. Ameribuilt is not as nationally known as Morton or General Steel, so vet your local dealer and check reviews carefully before signing. 6. FBI Buildings Residential Packages. Large wraparound porch, cupolas, bright white exterior. FBI Buildings out of Indiana specializes in post-frame residential buildings, and their designs lean into classic American farmhouse charm. Wraparound porches, cupolas, clean white exteriors with colored roofing accents. If the ultra-modern look isn't your style, and you want something that feels warm, traditional, and timeless, FBI's residential line is worth a serious look. The wraparound porch framing included in their packages adds incredible perceived value to the finished structure. Porches are one of the highest ROI features you can add to any home's curb appeal. Honest note: FBI primarily serves the Midwest. If you're outside their service area, delivery and support options may be limited. Realistic finish cost: $140,000 to $280,000. 5. Ironbuilt Steel Buildings Deluxe Residential Series. Barndo with stone chimney, oversized windows, standing seam roof. Ironbuilt's Deluxe Residential Series stands out because they offer some of the most aggressive window and door packages in the kit market. Floor-to-ceiling window walls, oversized sliding glass doors, and dramatic entry framing options make their buildings look architecturally sophisticated in a way that's unusual for a kit product. Add a stone chimney chase on the exterior, even a cosmetic one, and you've got a finished home that genuinely looks custom designed. Honest kit cost: $22,000 to $55,000. Realistic finished cost: $140,000 to $260,000. Ironbuilt sells nationwide and has solid reviews for their engineering documentation, which matters for permitting. 4. DC Structures Barn Home Kits. Heavy timber hybrid barndo, exposed beams, large glass gable end. Now we're getting into the territory where these kits start looking genuinely stunning. DC Structures out of Oregon offers hybrid barn home kits that combine a heavy timber frame with modern steel or wood framing. The result is a building with exposed structural timber beams inside and out that creates a warmth and visual richness that pure steel kits simply can't replicate. Their designs frequently feature dramatic glass gable ends that flood the interior with natural light. And from the exterior, that glass gable wall makes the whole structure look like high-end resort architecture. Honest kit cost: $50,000 to $120,000. Yes, higher than others on this list, and I want to be transparent about that. But the finished aesthetic value is significantly higher as well. Realistic finished cost: $250,000 to $500,000 plus. This is the high end of affordable, but still competitive compared to a fully custom timber frame home, which can run double that. 3. RhinoSteel Building Systems Residential Kits. Sleek horizontal panel barndo, minimalist modern exterior, clean roofline. RhinoSteel Building Systems offers residential kits with a clean, horizontal panel aesthetic that leans distinctly modern and minimalist. If you love the look of contemporary architecture, low-pitched roof lines, horizontal lines, large expanses of flat exterior surface broken up by glass, Rhino's kits produce a finished home that looks like it belongs in a design magazine. What's particularly smart about Rhino is their online pricing tool, which gives you real-time quote estimates without having to sit through a sales call. That transparency is refreshing in an industry that often plays games with pricing. Honest kit cost: $15,000 to $45,000. Realistic finished cost: $120,000 to $240,000. Rhino has a large dealer network and strong engineering support. 2. Absolute Steel Residential Barndominium Kits. Quonset hybrid barndo, arched roofline, large covered patio. Absolute Steel does something genuinely unique. They offer a hybrid between a traditional gable barndominium and a Quonset arch design. The result is a softly curved roofline that gives their buildings an organic, almost sculptural quality that looks completely different from anything else on this list. Their buildings tend to draw attention simply because the shape is so unusual. When finished with quality exterior cladding, a covered patio, and landscaping, these homes look like they were custom designed by an architect. Most people who see one have no idea it started as a kit. Honest kit cost: $18,000 to $50,000. Realistic finish cost: $130,000 to $250,000. Absolute steel is particularly popular in the Southwest and Mountain West, where the arched aesthetic fits the landscape beautifully. 1. Innovative Building Systems, IBS, Luxury Barndominium Packages. Full luxury barndo with metal roof, stone facade, covered outdoor living area, monitor-style roofline. And here's the one I promised you at the start. Innovative Building Systems offers what I genuinely consider the most impressive-looking kit barndominium product on the market right now. Their luxury packages feature the monitor-style roofline, that raised center section with clear-story windows running along the ridge, combined with stone and steel exterior combinations and massive covered outdoor living structures integrated into the design. The monitor roofline is the key detail here. It's the one architectural feature that single-handedly makes a barndominium look like $1 million property. The clear-story windows let in extraordinary natural light. The shadow lines created by the raised section add depth and visual interest to the roofline, and the whole composition reads as deliberately and skillfully designed. IBS also offers interior layout packages that maximize the open-concept great room and loft combinations that barndominiums are famous for, so the inside matches the ambition of the outside. Honest kit cost: $40,000 to $90,000 for their luxury packages. Realistic finish cost: $200,000 to $400,000. Yes, that's real money. But a custom-built home with this level of design character in most markets would cost $500,000 to $800,000 or more. The value proposition is still genuinely there. Here's my honest take after all of this. Every single kit on this list can produce a stunning finished home, but the kit is only about 15 to 25% of your total finish cost. The design decisions you make during finishing, roof pitch, window placement, exterior material combinations, porch details, and roofline style, are what truly determine whether your barndominium looks expensive or looks like a metal building with furniture in it. The most important things to remember: always verify local zoning and permit requirements before buying any kit. Always get your kit price and your contractor's finished build estimate before committing, and always work with a builder who has actually completed barndominium projects before, not just one who says they can figure it out. These homes are incredible, but they reward people who do their homework. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps more people find this content. Subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming videos on barndominium interior designs, real cost breakdowns, and builder interviews. Drop a comment below and tell me which kit was your favorite. I read every comment and I'd love to know. And if you know someone who's been dreaming about building their own home, share this video with them. It might be exactly the inspiration they need. See you in the next one.